My house is gone. Completely underwater. The water is to the kneecaps. This is my house. Everything is ruined. My couch is floating.
Here you go, man. You want to take this?
I need to. There's more stuff in my room,
Okay.
so if you could just bring that up, I appreciate it. I tried to get everything I could. I don't even know what to grab, Chuck. I did already grab your speaker. This stuff ain't touched. I'm just gonna grab it. I don't know if you need it, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. I don't have a home anymore. I don't have a home anymore. My whole house is underwater. This is unbelievable. Yeah, can we just carry my keyboard? Yeah. Wow.
Alright.
I need to carry my keyboard.
Okay.
I don't know if the water's going to get to these speakers, but we might as well just go ahead and grab them. Okay. I'm going to run in my room and grab a couple things. Okay. Ouch! My mom's obituary and pictures and stuff is somewhere underwater. And that's the only thing I had in her friggin' computer. Too much. Too much. It's way too much. I don't even, here it is. I need you right now, Mom. I need you right now. All of my clothes are done. I can't even grab everything. I just had to get out of here.